There you go, everyone. Okay, now let's get right into it. Flood Escape 2 by Crazy Blocks Games on Roblox. Roblox is now started. Get ready to play. I know that. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's still loading. Yay. And yes, I've played this before, so don't get mad at my progress. Yeah, day 5, 10 coins. Now tomorrow I'll get 12 points. Ugh, I hate it when it does this. Come on, just load in already. Where's my body? Why is this guy just a floating whitehead? Oh, that guy just disconnected. Okay. Okay. Come on, I just want to load in. Yeah, I'm not in the top 3. Okay. Yay! I got a body now. Yay! I got a whole body. Yeah, with my aura and everything. Okay. We're doing the next round. There was music. Yay! Okay, I'm pretty good at this map. Okay, I guess it's still loading in. Hey, I didn't know there was a sound effect when somebody pressed the button. Okay, so in this game you gotta press buttons to continue going forward. The exit. The exit is the only safe place. Meanwhile, the flood is chasing you up. And if you don't make it up in time, then you will drown. And not die, it says you drowned. If you want to see, too bad. Ah. No, I died. I guess it's not too bad anymore. This map annoying each time I play it. Yes, I'm a lot better at this map. Trust me. That time I pressed a button. Okay, I'm going back up. Sometimes in maps like this, there's ladders to go back up if you fall. In this map, there's only like 1 or 2. I pressed it. Yeah, I pressed it. Okay, I'm gonna go across this tightrope. That's what my family calls them. This is sort of an obby, but there's also a flood involved with it, so it's not exactly an obby. It's more like a survival game. Yes, I found the exit. Yeah, I survived in 55 seconds and 785 milliseconds. Yeah, totally sounds like someone normal would say. Difficulty remains at normal. And there's difficulties too, obviously. Oh no. Why is my screen lagging like this? There, now the crate has a texture. Somebody's gotta go this way. There. Good boy. I think the guy gave up. Oh no, he pressed it. Don't get mad at me, I'm just now learning the sound effects. No! Hey, I have enough to buy stuff. So, I'll show you guys everything in the shop. We got auras. But I only have enough for the ones that cost 100. So I only have enough for these ones. Well, I already own this one. Oh, where's my mouse? I already own this one, but I can buy any of these with the coins I have. Or I could buy some of these. I could buy one of these tanks. Buy one of these for. But this is the best one that I could afford at the time, and this is still the best one I can afford. Unless you guys want me to save up for 200 to buy a better one. And emotes, I got some stuff. Okay, I could buy any of these, really. I could buy any of them. I already have this one. Yeah, pretty weird emotes. Well, except for the dab. The dab is awesome, but I think this one's cooler. And for buddies, I don't have any buddies, so if you want me to get this one, if you want me to get this stupid new one, or I want to save up for one of these, because these ones look really cool. Skins, but yeah, these skins are sort of random. I don't really like them that much. Yeah, I can't buy that. No, I didn't mean to do that. I thought it would pop up a thingy. Uh-oh. Oh no, I just used 30 of my gems. I just used 10 of my gems. Aw, come on. I didn't want to do that. Can I get a refund? You know what? I'll do it anyway. Videos on Screencast-O-Matic are only 15 minutes. So it might just cut off in the middle of nowhere. Or I'll pay attention and know when it's going to end. Either one. This is an insane map called Lost Desert. I've never beat it before, but I've gotten really close. This is the easier way out. I tried to go through there, and I just died right then. Let me emote. Yeah. I like the animation for it popping back onto my head. Well, no, it is my head. For popping back onto my neck. This is really fun, though. Yeah. Gotta wait for someone to press the button so we can go up here. And just so you know, I don't know any of these people. These are all complete strangers, so... maybe next episode I'll bring somebody on. But I don't know any of these people. These are all just strangers. I can't believe nobody's pressed the button yet. Isn't it in here? Uh-oh, I guess not. I'm about to go outside. Let my chickens out. Okay. No, not this map again. Oh, okay, friend request, I'll accept it. What? Which way do I go? Okay. I wonder what difficulty it'll be next round. I didn't mean to lock into insane. I'm sorry, everybody. Everybody that's playing. If that makes any sense. Flood Island. This map is pretty easy. Even though it's on normal. Here's the same music again. It's. This map is sort of confusing, but you have to jump onto the palm tree. Then from there do a lot of parkour to the end. Yeah, I know, but there's no more buttons, right? I know this because I've played this map before. There's 3. The one in the first room to open that door, and the 2 in the second room. Yeah, I made it onto the helicopter pad. The safest place, so they made it into the exit. The flood never reaches this eye. Oh, I sure hope they make it. Yeah, one of them made it. The other one did too. Aw, 2 people died. Oh, that guy... How did that guy live? There, I got one. I'll wait for everyone else to go by. Go. Okay, everybody else go. Okay. Everyone here is so slow. I hope they press some of the buttons. No. No, I can't hit by any of these. I know they don't kill me, but they do slow me down, and I need to make it to the end. Nope, I'm gonna die. Yeah, I bet that everybody's gonna die. Yep, because everyone's dumb and doesn't know how to get to the button. I tried, but everyone else was in the way. I tried to go and help everyone else, but it just didn't happen.